2020 Ford Mustang 5.0 liter V8 Coyote motor. Got factory converters there and there. Then he swapped out the stock resonator with an H-pipe right there. And then what we did on it's got 2.5-inch pipe. He brought his own mufflers, BORLA Pro XS there and there. There's the H-pipe. And then he brought his own oval tips and we put them on for him. Right there and right there. Tell us what you guys think. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. I think it looks beautiful. And hopefully it'll sound really good too. Sound decibels? Go ahead. 102? Not too bad. Go ahead and back it up. 2020 Ford Mustang. The sound decibels? Decibel meter. Yeah, they are different. I like them. What you guys hear on the inside? '20 Mustang BORLA XS. Came out really nice, really smooth sound with an H-pipe. You got custom oval tips on it. Something different than everybody goes with, which I like.